Hey you guys, so I have just gotten back from a farmer's market and grocery shopping, and I picked up a lot of our keto staples, so I just thought that I would share them with you. I'm really into simple, quick, delicious keto meals, and all these do just that. So let me show you what I picked up. So we picked up some meat from the actual butchers. So these are actually super affordable. So I picked up some hot and spicy chicken, and they are just drumsticks that are pre-seasoned with the skin still on. These were 2 for 10 pounds, so CJ is going to grill them up tonight. These are my pick, but I'll show you what CJ got. He picked up the meaty pork Chinese ribs. Now you have to be careful whenever you get meat that is pre-seasoned or already has something on it, especially if it's like sweet / Chinese style, because lots of the time they use sugar in this marinade. So this is mostly just for him. For me, my second pick was this garlic chicken drumsticks. So as you can see, they all have the skin on them, and you can see that it was flavored with like celery salt and garlic powder and things like that that are totally okay. CJ's second pick was pork rib barbecue. So usually, just like the Chinese ribs, barbecue contains some sugar as well. So I might have one of these, but I will definitely not go crazy and eat like a full serving, but I might just have one depending on what I eat that day. So these are them right now. I definitely recommend checking out your local butcher. This is the first time that we've bought from them, but 2 for 10 pounds is a great deal. And you can also just maybe take like half of these and put them in freezer baggies and then divide it so you have easy access servings for like weeknight meals. Yesterday I went to the store and picked up some avocados. I try and buy hard and softer ones just so we have one that's ready for like every day. So I have 3 avocados here. So because I have a toddler, I don't have her on strict keto. However, CJ and I have been realizing that we're probably not feeding her the best things. Like the other night for dinner, she had a grilled cheese and potato wedges, while our plates had like a Angus burger with avocado and cheese and bacon, whereas we were just shoveling her processed foods. So that's not good. So we're trying to stick to like a loose keto or just like a healthy food approach for her. So I picked up some of these wholemeal wraps. So I'm hoping I can make her like a tomato, bacon, and mayo kind of wrap thing going on. Just healthier alternatives for our children. I picked up some British asparagus. When CJ grills tonight, he's probably gonna make me the wings, and then he'll just throw some asparagus on the grill as well, which is absolutely delicious. Yesterday at the store, I picked these up. These are my favorite snack in the afternoon. So for my serving size, I basically take off the lid and just fill up the lid, and then that's all I eat for the day. They're very high in fat. They have 21 grams of total fat, but they have 4 grams of carbs. So you just have to watch your intake with them, which is easier said than done because they're absolutely delicious. Picked up some jalapenos. You guys know whenever I feel like I've had too much protein for like lunch or breakfast, I will just have these for dinner. They are the best snack. I split them in half long ways. I stuff them with cream cheese and I wrap them in bacon, and they are absolutely divine. What? You want another strawberry? Say strawberry, please.
Strawberry, please.
Good. Here's a strawberry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. CJ and I also picked up some dried sausage at the farmer's market. This is sun-dried tomato, I think. This is goat cheese. And this is like a really wet sausage that was spicy and flavorful and delicious. So we paid 3 of these. We paid 12 pounds for 3 of these, and we plan to snack on them with some cheese on an early afternoon. I picked up these mature cheddar and smoky bacon mini pork sausages. These look delicious. They have 3 carbs per 2 sausages, which is totally okay. And I really like the serving size because maybe I can keep them refrigerated, or I don't know, they just seem easy for me to quickly fry on the skillets, give one to Mariah, give one to me, eat with an avocado. And I really love cheddar and smoky bacon. And yeah, like I said, I just like the size of them as well. So 3 carbs per 2 sausages, not bad at all. I picked up some halloumi slices. I've seen halloumi cheese everywhere lately and everyone's saying it's so like salty and delicious, just like on the stove pretty much. So I haven't tried it. I'm excited to try it. This is 4 halloumi burger slices. But instead of putting it on the burger, you can see that they're pre-sliced right there. I'm just gonna have them as a side. So I'm sure I will love them, so I picked up 2 of them. These are my favorite burgers. They are just West Country Cheddar Gourmet burgers. These are what I could live off, basically. I also picked up a package of my favorite cheddar cheese. This is black pepper cheddar, 5 slices. These on top of this with some bacon and avocado is like my favorite keto meal. You guys know I repeat this meal maybe 3 times a week. I picked up some Edam cheese to go with our dried salami. And then I got another one of the black pepper cheddar just because we go through them so quickly. I picked up some rich and indulgent coleslaw. So I'm a huge fan of coleslaw. However, with all the different versions, you really have to be careful because there was like a low-fat one. There was like 6 different kinds of coleslaw. However, the rich and indulgent one uses the whole dairies, so it has a lower percentage of carbs compared to other ones that use like half-fat dairy and like substitute mayo. So make sure you check out the ones that say rich and indulgent, so they're using the full-blown non-messed with dairy products. And this has 5 grams of carbs per 1/3 of the tub, and I would probably eat this in like a week. So definitely not a big carb count to worry about, since I would go through this entire thing in like a week. I picked up 2 heads of lettuce because I want to make some chicken salads. I picked up about 3 things of smoked back bacon. This is the kind of bacon we use. I know they don't have this kind of bacon everywhere. Like when I was in the States, they didn't have it. Yes, baby? You want another berry?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. But I recommend, if you guys can, find bacon that actually looks like bacon and it's not mass produced in these really skinny strips. Try to find bacon that actually looks like it came from an animal. I picked up some tomatoes so I can put them in Mariah's wrap and so I can just have them on the side of my food. I love just regular tomatoes with salt and pepper. Absolutely delicious. Mariah and I love to snack on halkidiki olives. Basically any garlic stuffed olive or pimento stuffed olive is totally okay on keto. What does this have? Carbohydrates 0.8. So I don't even count when I eat these. Maybe I have like 2 a day maybe. So those are delicious. I picked up some garlic and herb chicken sizzlers. This is basically just pre-marinated chicken breast. I really recommend pre-marinated food as long as they're not high in sugar. So these have less than 0.5 grams of carbs in the chicken breast. So garlic and herb is usually pretty safe. Like I said, it's only the barbecue and Chinese coating or coated meats that you have to worry about. I picked up zucchini. They call them courgettes here. I picked up some honey cured turkey. Now this is specifically for Mariah, although it has 2 grams of carbs per 100 grams. So I mean, I could snack on it too, but I specifically got it from Mariah to make her like wraps. Also picked up some frozen vegetables. These are the vegetable medley. Now these are just really good, family friendly, easy to eat vegetables. So I picked up 2 15 British free range eggs. We go through a lot of eggs. Yeah, so can't have enough. Okay, you guys, that wraps up my keto grocery haul. I will link the other ones above that I've done and also my simple, easy keto meal ideas. We don't have a ton of vegetables in here. I mostly eat meat and dairy with the occasional vegetable. It's just us. You don't have to do it. I do have asparagus, zucchini, frozen veggies, avocados, jalapenos in here, so it's not that bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions or what your favorite go-to keto meals are down below. Please subscribe if you're a new follower or you just found me. Yeah, so I guess I will start putting all this away. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.